Take Paws has been made possible by support from the following Community Foundation of Broward funds. And by Broward County Animal Care and Adoption, where you can adopt a new best friend for life. Hi, and welcome to Take Paws, a show that's all about caring for our fun and furry pals. I'm your host, Mike Moscatello, and this sweet kitty is looking for a new home. I'm sure she'll find herself a loving family very soon, and regular vet appointments will help her live a long and happy life. But all pet owners need to be prepared for the unexpected. Emergencies do come along from time to time. Pets get sick or hurt, just like people. And things like broken limbs, fevers, or other signs of distress may require immediate attention. It's important to know who you can turn to if your pet needs care beyond the scope of regular veterinary services.
When our pets aren't feeling well, they can't speak to us and say, I don't feel well today. They give us subtle clues like an increase in their respiratory rate. They may seem tired or depressed or lethargic. They may skip their breakfast. They may not want to go for their usual walk or sit down for their walk. More dramatic or obvious signs are if they're having any vomiting, diarrhea, bleeding abnormally. Those are clues that you should contact your veterinarian or seek medical attention because something is making them not feel so good. Well, on a daily basis, we never know what we're going to get here at Lauderdale Veterinary Specialists on emergency. However, we do have some of the standard things that we do see from household pets either getting into environmental or food-related toxins at home, like chocolate or household medications. We see injuries that they may sustain at the dog park, like from dog fights or dog scuffles. We see animals that may be injured from a fall or being in the back of a pickup truck or unfortunately running off leash and getting hit by a car. So on any given day, we'll see any or all of those things here at LVS. Animals that are in respiratory distress often present with difficulty breathing. And I had an owner recently who noticed that their animal had a cough and had a rapid respiratory rate. So it was after hours and the pet presented to us on emergency and we could hear crackles in the pet's chest. So that meant to us that there was fluid there that shouldn't be. So we needed to give oxygen therapy and some medications to get the fluid out of the chest so the dog could breathe more comfortably. This is a somewhat common situation in small breed older dogs. Just like people, their heart valves can get a little leaky and they may not put their fluids in the right place all the time, so they may have respiratory difficulty. Here at Lauderdale Veterinary Specialists, we have both an emergency department and a critical care department. Our emergency patients are seen 24 hours a day and may only require very short-term outpatient care, whereas our critical care patients have diseases and disease processes that are going on that they need to be in the hospital for and monitored 24 hours a day. Conditions such as kidney disease or liver disease or pancreatic disease. The pancreas is an organ that animals get diabetes just like people, and sometimes they get very sick and need hospitalized care before they can be treated at home for these diseases. As a veterinary specialty hospital, we have advanced diagnostic capabilities here. We have a CT scanner, we perform endoscopy, advanced abdominal and thoracic ultrasound. We have a long-term ventilator for any patients with severe respiratory disease that may have fallen into the swimming pool and need respiratory support in order for their lungs to heal. We also have an advanced surgery department with advanced anesthesia. We perform multiple types of neurosurgery and orthopedic surgery and gastrointestinal surgeries all week long. In summary, I would like to say to all the pet owners that if you're worried about your pet, as veterinarians, we're worried about your pet. If your pet's doing anything out of the ordinary, is having any signs that you're worried about, please call your veterinarian or seek an after-hours emergency facility like Lauderdale Veterinary Specialists, because we're here to help.
If you'd like to help support Take Paws through sponsorship or by making a donation, call 754-321-1000 or go to BECON-TV.